Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time I didn't post anything, but because I had school and I didn't have time to post, and my phone was like dead, like literally dead. So I exchanged it and got a new phone, and yay. And today I'm going to show you all my slimes of 2019, and please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram. My name's Unicorn Girl, and I just made this new Instagram account, so please go follow me. It's a slime squishy account, yeah, and give this video a big thumbs up, a big thumbs up. Come on, rainbow, please. A big thumbs up, a big thumbs up, big thumbs up. Okay, that's enough. So first, we're gonna show the first line. What's that? Okay, thanks, Lightning. So this is one of my favorite slimes. Like, I love it so much. Although it's it's not soft at all, but I love it. Like, have like this crunchy stuff in it. I wasn't expecting that. Sorry. So yeah. Here is the first slime. I want you to comment which slime. This is number 1 slime, and the others, please comment if you really want me to do another LOL video, because the last one got like 200 views, and if you want me to do another one, I can do, if you want, from the hairspray LOL or the other ones. So this is the first slime, number 1. You just comment number 1 and I'll know that it was the one you loved. Okay. I love all of them, like, so stretchy. And I love Purple Banana so much. Purple Banana 25. Oh my god. Purple Banana 25. I love her so much. I wish she will see my channel. And I'm sorry I was inactive. I know I won't gain any followers anymore and subscribers, I mean, because like they say she doesn't post anything, so like they won't see anything. I had a number 1 fan, and I think she left me. I'm sad. So I'm gonna put that back in there and let Lightning take it. Okay. Thanks. Now to the other one. Okay, this is number 2 slime. Oh my god, it's so fluffy and so amazing. Wow, I love it. I got this slime I think on Valentine's Day, because it was a Valentine's limited edition slime. I got it, and it's not for Valentine. I'm just feel like it single. Yeah, but anyways, there. Whoa. Oh, do you hear that? Oh my god. Guys, I love this slime. COMG. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. Did it change color or something? Oh, maybe it's the other slime. I have yellow slime. Maybe they changed it. They're like twins, and I always think that there's magic happening in there, but they're the twins. So yeah, I'm just kidding, guys. You know, no, they're not twins. They're slimes, normal slimes. I'm just playing with you. So this is so awkward. And I sell some slimes and squishies, but they're not posted. So if you want any, tell me. Like DM me. It's name Unicorn Girl. Yeah, just Unicorn Girl, I think. Yes, Unicorn Girl. And the profile pic is a unicorn dabbing. So it's not the same as this profile picture. So stretchy, so stretchy. I love it. I'm obsessed with slime and squishies. And I literally have a squishy in the background, but today is not for squishy, but for you guys. I'm gonna show it to you. Because this is my favorite, and the Galaxy Cinnamon, but it's inside, so yeah. And the paw, I love the paw. Hello darkness, my old friend. So we're gonna put that one and do magic. Come here, ice cream. Thanks. So that's another slime. It's been a long time I didn't play with it. Oh, OMG. This is the most butter slime, butter slime I've ever seen in life. It's been a long time I didn't play with it, and it's like butter slime. Oh my god, guys, it's been a long time. I really didn't play with that slime. It feels so good. Okay. So here, poke it, poke it, poke it. I know these satisfying ASMRs, so I will try doing one. And yes, I am touching the camera because I actually don't have like something to touch it or something. Yeah. So I think you saw my reflection, but I'm okay with it. I will try to do better editing, more satisfying ASMRs, or do an ASMR video. I'll try. Yes, I don't have the tools actually. It's amazing. So we're gonna put this, and we're gonna put it aside manually. Oh, hey lightning, came back. Oh, okay. So please, again and again, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give it a big thumbs up. Now the rainbow wiggle big thumbs up, and the wiggle big thumbs up. Okay, bye bye. Love you all.